Hello everyone, this is NYRM 1974 in part 2 of our segment here of the Brauer Brothers leather holster restoration. Right now the dye has already dried, and what we're going to do, we're going to be using the pitch blend leather dressing. And got my little brush here, so we're just going to really work it in. But before we do that, let me get some gloves. It's always good to have some gloves. These are some Natura gloves I picked up. Let's get these on. And we're going to just get a little on this brush here. And what we're going to do, we're going to just kind of work this in. You want to get into the grains. Very important to get it into the grains. Let's pull the strap back. And the edges, very important. You want to protect this, from the elements. And you don't need a lot, just a good coating. So we just want to get this all worked in here. And very important here where this crease is, we want to concentrate some moisture in here. It was dry when I first got this holster, so we want to get that all nice and supple. So we want to work that all in. See how it's going away right now? One of the things I tell people, if you have leather holsters, you got to spend some time and care for them, because they're not going to take care of themselves. And there's a lot of products out there, excuse me, that's what happens when you only have one cup of coffee. But there are products out there that will make your life a lot easier and preserve the lifespan of your leather goods. And you can see it's getting a nice shine there. Let's work this in. Very important to work it in. That's why I have the brush here. And you can use a cloth, but I like the brush better because it really works it in there. And that's what you want to do. You want to work it right in. Get some of it on the straps here, because we're going to buff all this out. And get the front, we want to get the back. And we're going to snap that in. Get the straps here. Okay. And what we're going to do first, we're going to start buffing it with our brush here. Get that nice luster in. Now what you can do is you can take your fingers, your two fingers here, that give you a little bit more stability, and just go over it with the brush. And as you can see, it's coming up to a nice luster. Work the strap. Then we're going to bring this over. Snap this back into place. And we're going to do the straps as well. there you go. And now you have a really nice looking holster. So, let me know what your thoughts are. If you have a better idea, believe me, I'm always open to constructive criticism. I'm not bashful. I am not bashful at all. I have no ego to bruise. You know, sharing of information is a positive thing. There you go. Let's see how it looks with the Roscoe. Let's get the Roscoe out. Got it right here. Let's open up this little box. And as you can see, there's a chamber flag there. The weapon is unloaded for the internet police. So as you can see, it is a cleared weapon. So let's get that Roscoe in there and let's see how she looks. Doesn't she look gorgeous? Well, it's time to get to the range. And she is beautiful. And it doesn't take a lot of money to, you know, restore leather goods. And, you know, I looked around for a holster for this Roscoe, and let me tell you, when I came across this, I had to snap it up. It was perfect. And it's just in keeping with the whole film noir detective motif. Holster made in 1958, brought into the 21st century and restored with love. Now, granted, I may have to do additional treatments, you know, to really work it in, but as you can see, she's looking gorgeous. So let me know what your comments are, and let me know if you have any suggestions. This is NYRM 1974 signing off, and I'm just going to say, train hard and win the fight. And remember, when you're at the range, use proper eye protection and hearing protection. You don't want to lose your hearing, you don't want to lose your eyesight, and practice proper etiquette at the gun range. I've seen too many jerks do some dumb stuff at the gun range, totally not cool. Don't be that guy. Be safe.